ASEAN economic ministers meeting in Bangkok say they are committed to wrapping up negotiations on the Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership, or RCEP.
Well, if finalized, RCEP will be the world's largest trading bloc, accounting for over $10 trillion or a third of global trade. So for more, let's cross over to Saksesa Sambat, and he is in Bangkok. Saksesa, what's the latest out of today's negotiations?
Well, today at the ASEAN economic ministers meeting, it's mostly focused on not really bilateral meetings, but the 10 ASEAN economic ministers meeting their counterparts from the region and abroad, including those from China, from Hong Kong, from Korea, from the United States. Those are the talks that have been going on behind closed doors, so that's why we don't actually know a lot. But we were expecting some words coming out, for example, from the Hong Kong representatives, that they might be talking about the impact of the ongoing protests there, but those have only been mentioned in passing. Also, they have been commented that they hope that a resolution of that will be found soon. So that is what is going on here at the moment. But of course, the big elephant in the room is, of course, RCEP.
Sakseth, it's been nearly 7 years since RCEP was launched. Is it likely we'll see an agreement signed soon?
Well, that's what many of the representatives here want, and especially the chairman, Thailand, definitely wants this thing pushed over the finish line. Prime Minister General Prayut Chan-o-cha has reiterated this several times this year already, and also his Commerce Minister Julian Laksanavisit has also said many times that they expect something to be presented, something to be done by the end of the chairmanship of Thailand in November. Now, the timeline now going forward until November is that there will be just one more meeting on RCEP. The technical delegations, the senior officers, will be meeting in Da Nang in Vietnam later this month to hash out, to iron out the last kinks, the last details, until they can present something at the big summit in November, and also so that it can be signed in 2020, and the hope is that it will come into effect in 2023.
All right, thanks very much for that. Sakseth Sambat speaking to us from Bangkok.